We're going a little later this year just because we had a lot going on.
I have to go down.
The train.
I have to go down all the way to Union.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going a little later, guys. While we're still on time, we used to always go around this time, like the, you know, mid-October type of thing. But we have like a couple years going the first week of October just to get the pumpkin patch early and get that vlog out for you guys. If you're not yet subscribed to Autism Royalty Family, make sure to do so. Hit that big thumbs up, the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. So yeah, we are in the truck because you know, we have to put in all those pumpkins and everything, and the Yukon has a little trunk. So we have the truck for these, you know, special moments where, well, we could use it. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Say everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and vlog all the fun activities. We always go to the same spot, guys. It's Murray Family Farms here in Bakersfield.
Get the same food. Well,
yes, they have like the best chicken pot pies there. I did vlog it last year for you guys. They have the best in town. So we are going to eat. Nobody has ate. The kids got home from school, the girls. I didn't make anything because I'm like, we're gonna go eat good over there. So yeah, I'm dying of hunger right now, so I'll go ahead and record once we get our food. Willy pre-order it over the phone, so yeah, they should be ready once we get there, and I will be showing you guys everything. We have arrived to Murray Family Farm, but we are waiting on Missy here. Wherever there's room. Come on, girl. Sit. She knows. There you go. Anda bien guapa, mi bibiri. Bien guapa, mi babe. A ver. Okay. Okay. Seatbelt, girl. Seatbelt, girl. A ver. Okay, you put it on. You know how to put it on. Come on. Show our friends you know how to put on your seatbelt. Cuckoo, put the backpack in back of the carrito, mama. And she's all set, guys. Oh, she got her glove stuck. There you go. I love it. So we are situated. We're about to go in and get our food really quickly. Look at all the food, guys. Our order is ready. We are going to get, instead of fountain drinks, we are going to get some drinks from here really quick, and then we're gonna go eat outside. So they have so many things here. Okay, we got our drinks. Hey, didn't they have more tables? This is the picnic area, guys. Right here, we got our food.
Or the middle one. The middle one. This smells so good. The one in the middle.
Picnic area. Okay, so we're gonna sit right here. Okay, guys. So here's the chile verde. What is it, empanadas? I don't know. And then we got Ashlyn's hot dog right there. Aliyah and Cuckoo went to get the ketchup. Here's Missy.
Put it back on.
And then we have more over here. And we got our drinks. I am going to try it on camera.
Watch how it's hot.
It's hot, but really good. Good? Okay, Alize is gonna put ketchup on Ashley's hot dog, as you guys could see.
Extra bomb, girl.
This is better than a strawberry one.
Yeah, sí quiso that. Now that you put
Yeah.
the ketchup.
Earlier, I tried to give it to her without ketchup, and she didn't want it.
Yeah, so she wants it with ketchup, obviously. I would have done the same, Mama.
Who
Who got the burger here last time? It was bomb.
Okay, guys, so we already finished eating. We got all the wristbands here.
Looks good.
We're gonna go ahead and try some pies now. Just a little bit. Okay, guys, so now we got a baked potato, and then we got another type of pie to try. Wow, it's already halfway done, but it was pretty good.
There you go.
Bold and briny, Murray Family Farms.
So yummy, everything's so yummy here, guys. Alize is trying it now. So bomb. The jalapeno. Okay, now Alize is trying the baked potato. Ya se la comieron los mosquitos, mira. Everywhere. Damn, girl. He went to go get root beer floats, guys. It's cider floats or something like that. With Allysha. So Allysha popped out of nowhere with this big popcorn. And look at the price, guys.
It's our wear and
That's Carrie.
Oh my God.
Join us for our favorite Murray Family Farms merch. This
Guys, so we already finished eating. We went to the restroom really quick. The girls are over here taking pictures somewhere, and we're gonna go get them so we could do the hay ride, the tractor ride earlier this time while there's still daylight, because we normally do it at night so you can't really see it because it's dark. But we'll try to record this time because it's a little earlier. Look at how pretty the sunflower field is, guys. So pretty. We are looking for the girls. They said that we're at the sunflower field. So we're looking for them, but we can't find them. Oh, you see them already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go get them so we could do the hay ride really quick. Bye, see Cuckoo. We found the girls. They're taking pictures really quickly. Huh? We are going up to the slide. Oh, it's high.
Up, up. Up.
There.
Okay. You can't go. Are you gonna go behind us?
Oh no, when you guys are done. You wanna go with me? Oh, ya apúrale, ya me fui. Okay, so it looks like everybody picked their pumpkins, and Ashley got her own pumpkin. We got some footage for TikTok. Ashley picking out her pumpkin and putting it in the. We can take that one, girl.
It's out here.
appreciate it.
Imagine I just.
We'll probably take pictures over there and then show you guys.
Hey, the girls are taking pictures once again. Good. You're having so much fun, huh, mommy?
Wait, I want to take a picture.
Daddy with all the pumpkins. We brought our carreta.
What is that sweet dish called with calabaza?
The pumpkin roll, no?
No, the other one. The one your mom makes.
I forgot. Empanada de calabaza? I don't know.
I don't know. That's this thing.
Ashley's done. And she didn't even walk that much. Girl.
He's so lazy.
Alright, so she's putting all the pumpkins in. We got our little cart here. It is the next day. I didn't close out the vlog yesterday. We had a lot of fun at the pumpkin patch. We didn't get to do a lot of things because it got dark really fast, but we got to eat really good, and the girls did have, you know, some fun in the slide and stuff like that. We just didn't get to do the built-in jumping.